Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a link preview to your WordPress website. So if you open any blog post and you will see that there are multiple links, but if I hover over this link, it will just show a link in the top left corner, but it will not show a preview of that link. So user can know what the links lead to. So if you show a preview in this link, then user can easily understand that what the link is about, and they can understand before clicking on that link. So let's check how you can add a link preview to your WordPress website. So what I can do is I will install a plugin called links.ai. So let's install this plugin here. So I will go to WordPress dashboard, and here under the plugin section I will click on add new, and I can simply search for link.ai, and let's install this plugin now. Now let's activate this plugin, and this plugin will automatically add a link preview to all of your links on your WordPress website. So let's click on the link.ai here, and let's click on the sign up button here. Now you can enter your email address and password here, and let's click on continue. Now it will take you to this widget. Now you need to enter your website address here, and let's click on add here. Now let's click on the external and internal link here. Now let's click on next, and I will select the free plan here, but you can also get different premium plans if you want to explore more premium features, but I recommend to use the free plan in the beginning, and in later you can upgrade to the premium version. So let's click on the free plan here. Now let's click on activate links.ai. Now it will redirect you to your WordPress website. Okay, so in free plan you will get 2500 previews per month, and you can upgrade it to your premium plan if you want higher link previews. So let's go to the front end and let's check how the link preview works. So I will go to the blog here, and I will open a blog post here, and when I hover over this link, it should show a link preview like this. So this is an external link, and here as you can see that there is another external link here like this, digital marketing services, and it will show the images, title and the meta description. And let's scroll down here, and let's select an internal link here. So I will go to the blog post here, and I will open the second post here. Now let's hover over an internal link here, and as you can see that the internal link will show like this. And you can also add a YouTube link here. So let me just show you. So what I can do is I will click on edit post here, and let me just go to the YouTube and grab a link here, and let me grab this link here, and I will interlink the YouTube. So what I can do is let me just add the YouTube link here. So I will select this word, and I will paste that YouTube link. Let's click on enter here. Now let's click on update. Now let's click on view post here, and as you can see that we have added the YouTube link preview here. So let's click on here, and as you can see that it will play that YouTube video in a pop-up window. So in this way user don't have to leave your website to view the video. You can simply add a pop-up link like this. Now scroll down here, let's click on Google here, and it will automatically redirect to Google. Let's click on local SEO here, and as you can see that it will take me to the internal links. So in this way you can add a link preview to your WordPress website, and user can know that if this link is correct or not, and what the link is about, so they can see a preview of that link in your website. And in free version you will get 2500 link previews per month, and you can upgrade it later if you need. So I hope this video helps you add a link preview to your WordPress website, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.